your job post recently, and I am analyzing your site. For now, I am giving you a small audit so you can analyze the issues on your site. Okay. First of all, I think uh, a small text section with keyword optimized pattern entities should be added on the home page. Okay, then I will go to collection page. I think you do not have proper keyword research. Let me analyze. You don't have proper keyword research. This section is showing you have only cat color, no keyword variation. Your description is also missing, and no proper unique selling point. You should mention your unique selling point and a small text with keyword optimized heading. This will show this will show you hope relevant a page is for the business. Okay. And next, I will also show you should also publish a blog section that will cover the informational queries. Also, you should have a Google My Business profile for covering local queries and capturing more leads locally. Okay, if you want to see our SEO processes, here is the I have we have recently delivered many SEO processes like this to the clients, and they have seen many good results. This is our technical SEO. We have proper systems to show you what we have implemented, what is missing, and how we are generating results. And this is our recent projects. uh, this is our results from the recent clients, and they are showing Shopify clients, e-commerce base, and they are taking very good results and leads. So hope it will help you.